DRA 2020 is a free web app that lets you create, analyze, and share district plans for Congress and state legislature for any state in the US. You can start from a blank map, or you can start from an official map or a map that someone else has published. Today I've got a copy of the Arizona 116th congressional map. And you can see here, if we look at the left panel, there's the district selector, which shows you each of the districts that you're trying to build and how much population you've put into each one of those. So that'll be updated as you assign precincts to districts. The next panel is district details, which shows you some demographic and election data for the selected district. So you can see what the makeup is of the districts that you're trying to build. Then on the right hand side is a details panel, which shows you the same numbers for individual precincts, for the precinct that you're hovering over or for the county that you're hovering over. Now the data in here, by default, we put in the 2010 population data and a composite of elections. We use the two presidential elections plus Senate and governor's elections to build our composite, but you can change what those primary data sets are if you like. So you can change to a different election data set, and also we have the 2018 ACS data, both the total population and the citizen voting age population from that data set. So you can use those as well. Those three primary data sets are used by our analytics and also used by this colors feature that I'll show you next. So looking at the lower left-hand corner, we can show the map based on partisanship. So here we're showing, based on the precinct voting results on that composite data set, what the partisanship is. Or similarly for demographics, so this now shows all minorities, or you can look at the demographics of an individual minority by precinct. We also have various other options, like for example, you can turn off district lines, turn on the precinct lines, that kind of thing as well. So let's go ahead and make a couple of edits. So I'm going to erase using the eraser here. Let's do precincts, and I'll erase a few precincts over there, and then let's just let's make one non-contiguous district here. So what I want to show here is we've got these tools to help you find unassigned precincts and find places where you might have made a non-contiguous district. So you click this tool and it zooms in on precincts that are unassigned. Okay. And then similarly, with the non-contiguous, this will zoom in on non-contiguous pieces of districts. So you can see here, there's the first piece and there's that second piece that I just created. Okay. Now, let me show you some of the analytics and statistics that we have. So these three tabs over here, the first one is statistics, which shows you of the districts you're building, population, partisanship, and demographics of the districts you've built. We highlight minority opportunities and highlight districts that are not competitive. Under the Analytics tab, we have ratings along 5 different dimensions, so minority rights, competitiveness, etc. And then we have detail sections for each of those 5. In the Advanced panel, we have some advanced analytics as well, so some graphs and some other measures that academics have devised. You can also share your map using the share button, both just for view only or for editing, so that more than one person can be working on the map at the same time, just like in Google Docs. And then you can export. This first tab exports a block equivalency file. So that's an easy way to share with other tools. And we also can import block equivalency files. That's how we built the congressional maps for Arizona and the other states. And there'll be some more options, more export options coming soon. So that's DRA 2020, a free web app that lets you create, analyze, and share district plans for any state, for Congress, and for state legislature. Thank you.